Hey, it's Cornelis. This is Your Band as a Business, the place where I discuss the day-to-day realities of being an independent musician. This is my weekly update where I share what I'm getting up to in order to further my music career. And I hope to share what I'm learning and also learn from others. So if you have any suggestions for me, leave a comment. Anyway, so last week I released my latest single, which is called Just Stuff, and it's an indie rock banger with some loud and quiet dynamics reminiscent of maybe the Pixies or Nirvana. And looking at my Spotify stats so far, I've received 51 streams from 25 people and 7 playlist ads. 2 or 3 of those are my own playlists. So that's alright. On average, people listen twice to the song. It's not amazing. It's kind of on average of what I get for a single release. And for my last single, I reached 100 monthly listeners. Normally I get maybe 40 to 50 monthly listeners, so I'm hoping to reach 100 again, maybe a bit more. What have I done to promote the song? So I had a promotional reel made, which is more targeted towards people that don't know me, but I also do a retargeting campaign where I put £5 or £10 towards targeting people that follow me on Instagram or have interacted with my page. As well as that, I messaged a whole bunch of people to say that my song is out, updated all my socials, obviously, put it out on Twitter and Facebook and TikTok. I have been playing around with a meme format because there's a particular meme that I think really fits my song. So if you want to see what I've been doing, then head over to my TikTok page, which is Cornelis Gerard Official, and see what I've been doing there. What else have I got planned? So there's a lyric video coming out this week, and I've also contacted some people about reviewing the song or featuring me on their blog. Now, I haven't really aggressively sought out playlists. I've been added to a couple that are run by friends, but I haven't spent much time on that. I'm not sure how much time to spend on that really, because in the past I've seen a poor return on my time investment, as it were, and I feel that it's a better use of my time to just create content for TikTok and Reels. So yeah, that's what I'm more focused on, to be honest. In terms of a proper music video, I will make a low budget video based on footage from gigs. The consensus amongst many people in the DIY musician sphere is that it's better to focus your time and energy and money potentially on short form content rather than on full length videos. But I have footage from gigs that I think will be cool to use, so I will do that. What else is going on with me? Well, I have an acoustic gig that's going to be happening in April, so that'll be a half-hour show. So I'm just waiting for the final details before I start promoting that. And then also I will be it looks like I'll be performing up in Liverpool in a couple of weeks. Again, that's just something I need to confirm, and that'll be good because I've never been to Liverpool, and yeah, never been there, never performed there, obviously. So yeah, that'll be fun. And in the meantime, I want to see if I can organize another gig with the band. So some of the people in my band have been out of the country traveling for various reasons, so I need to check in with them to see if they're available, because I think it would be good to do another band gig. Yeah, so that's it in terms of what I'm getting up to in terms of promoting my new song and gigging. And in the meantime, I'm also starting to work on the next single. Guitars, drums, vocals have been recorded already, but we need to get the bass done. So I will be speaking to the bass player in order to get that done as well and get prepared for the next single. Anyway, that's my update. Let me know what you're doing with your music at the moment. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions for me. Otherwise, I will speak to you guys next week.